Police. Let's put it together. Police station. Police car. Thief. The police will help catch the bad guys. Let's experience it together. Hello, this is the police station. If you have any problems, you can ask me for help. We have a case to solve this time. We have a new case. A bottle of Coke is missing from the restaurant. We caught some suspicious people, but who is the real bad guy? Sheriff Kiki, I saw the bad guy at the crime scene. The bad guy ran so fast that I didn't see his face clearly. Please think it over. What are the features of the bad guy? The bad guy is wearing a red outfit. Please identify the real bad guy based on Miss Rabbit's description. Yes! 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 You got it! You got it! You got it! The bad guy is wearing a purple hat. Yes! You got it! You got it! The bad guy is short. You got it! Yes! Yes! The bad guy left footprints like these when ran away. Great! We found the real bad guy! Wow! Miss Rabbit, thanks for the clues.
Wow!
Great! The cases were solved! Wow! How many coins will we get this time? Driver. But let's put it truck. Parking lot. The driver has great driving skills. Some can transport goods, while others can carry people. Let's experience it together. Which vehicle do you want to choose? Truck. I'm Kiki, the truck driver. This is the work we need to complete today. Let's get to work. Before we go, let's have the vehicle checked. Before we go, the license plate is fine. Before we go, the tire is fine. Uh-oh, the rearview mirror are dirty. Wow, the rearview mirrors are so shiny. The vehicle has a full tank. Great! The maintenance is finished. Let's load it up. Drag the goods into the vehicle. Drag the goods into the vehicle. Drag the goods into the vehicle. The loading is done. Fasten your seatbelt and get ready to go. Drive the truck to deliver goods. We have to avoid the obstacles on the road. To our destination. Help me unload the goods. I need these goods. Thanks for your hard work. See you next time. I'm so happy to be of help to you all. Wow, here are the coins from my hard work. Farmer. Let's put it together. Haystack. Pumpkin. Crop. The farmer will grow all kinds of crops. Let's experience it together. The archaeologist. Pet groomer. Let's put it together. Cat climber. Pet grooming tape accessories cabinet. The pet groomer is specialized in dressing up pets and designing styles for pets. Let's experience it together. Welcome. I need to dress up these two cute animals. Dentist. Let's put it treatment chair. Desk. Treatment tool. The dentist can treat all kinds of minor dental problems. Kids, remember to brush teeth carefully. Let's experience it together. Grocery store manager. Let's put it together. Cash reg goods. Shopping basket. The grocery store manager serves many customers who come for shopping every day. Let's